I started off doing litigation support in Chicago about 15 years ago, and back then it was just all paper that we were copying and copying. So you'd have a box of documents, and then you would have 5 lawyers that had to see it. So you'd have 5 different, so you'd copy it 5 times. It was massive and massive amounts of paper. So as years go on, technology takes over, and what we've done really well when I opened up 4 years ago is to understand we're not a copy company that, oh yeah, does e-discovery. We are a full-on electronic discovery company, and by the way, paper's not going anywhere. We know a lot of lawyers need their binders. We have probably the largest reprographics in the state. So we're very cognitive of the fact that, you know, people still like, you know, take trial boards to trial. There's still a need for paper. We understand that. What we do is, if you need it, you can print it out for you. If you don't, we'll put it in a digital format and hand it to you on a disk.